Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, we are going to start with a new topic, that is capital budgeting. In capital budgeting, we are going to study the examples on net present value and profitability index. So this is the practical solved example for net present value and profitability index. So this is the example on the screen. ABC Limited is considering investing in a project that is expected to cost 12 lakh rupees. So this is the initial investment which ABC Limited is doing and has an effective life of 5 years. The project has the following cash inflows. So total of year is 5 years and this is the cash inflow. For first year the cash inflow is 3 lakhs. For second year cash inflow is 3 lakhs. Third year the cash inflow is 4 lakh 50,000. Fourth year 4 lakh 50,000 and for fifth year 7 lakh 50,000. So total cash inflow is 22 lakhs 50,000. Now you are required to calculate net present value at 10% rate of discount and profitability index. So two things we have to find, that is net present value at 10% rate of discount and profitability index. Now see, sometimes the discount will be given 5% discount, 12% discount and so on. Okay, now in this example they have given 10% discount. This means that it is present factor value. Now let's solve this example. First we will calculate net present value. So to calculate net present value, we require years, we require amount, we require present value factor at 10%, then present value of cash inflow. Now number of years are how many? 5 years. Write it down, 5 years. Now each year is having the amount. It is given in the question. Write the same amount. For first year it is 3 lakhs. Second year also 3 lakhs. Third year 5 lakh, 4 lakh 50,000. Fourth year 4 lakh 50,000. Fifth year the amount is 7 lakh 50,000. So total is how much? 22 lakhs 50,000. Okay. Now next we have to find present value factor at 10%. Now say students, in some example they will give 10%. Okay, means they will give the actual value of present value of factors for each year. Now in this example they have not given us the present value factor. Okay, they have just given us 10% rate of discount. It means that we have to find the present value factors. Okay, the present value factor at 10%. No matter whatever is the percentage, the formula will remain the same. Okay, now in some example they will give the factor values. Okay, in the question itself. So no need to calculate the present value factor. If they have not given, they have just given us the rate of discount. Okay, at that time we have to calculate the present value factor. Now see here how to calculate the present value factor. Here I have solved the present value factor. Now the formula to find the present value factor is what? 1 divided by 1 plus r bracket close power n. Okay, so r means what? Discount rate. N means what? Number of years. So discount rate, how much it is given in the question? Discount rate is given 10%. That means if we divide 10 by 100 we get 0.1. Okay, and number of year is 5. Now for each year we have to find the present value factor. Now see, for the first year, okay, for the first year use the formula, okay, 1 upon 1 plus 0.1. 0.1 how we got? By 10, dividing 10 by 100. So is equals to 1 upon 1 plus 0.1, 1.1, bracket close. N means what? For the first year, how much is the number of year for the first year? 1. Okay, so for the first year, the present value factor will be 0.909. Okay. Now second year, again use the same formula, 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 raised to 2. Why? Because second year. So we get 0.826. Now for the third year, same we will do 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 raised to 3. Okay. Then 1 upon 1.1 raised to 3. Then we get 0.751. For third year, the present value factor is 0.751. Now for the fourth year, 1 upon 1 plus 0.1. Okay, we are just putting the values in this formula. Raised to n is what? For the fourth year, 4 years. So is equals to 1 upon 1.1 raised to 4. So we get 0.683. For the fifth year, 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 power 5. 5 means 5 year. 1 upon 1.1 raised to 5. So we get 0.621. Okay. So in this way we got the factor, present value factors. Okay. So present value factor formula is 1 upon 1 plus r raised to n. R stands for discount rate. Okay. And n stands for number of years. For each year, the raised to n will be that particular year. Okay. For example, 1. So number of year will be 1. Number 2, second year. So number of years will be 2. Okay. Now, next we have to find the present value of cash inflow. So how we will get present value of cash inflow? Simply by multiplying 3 amount into present value factors. So 3 lakhs into 0.909 is equals to 2,72,700. Okay. Now next, for second year, 3 lakh into factor values how much? 0.826. So we get 2,47,800. For third year, 4,50,000 into 0.751. 3,37,950. For fourth year, 4,50,000 into 0.683 is equals to 3,07,350. Then for the fifth year, 7,50,000 into 0.621. We get 4,65,700. Now add all these values. Total we get 16,31,550. Okay. So our present value of cash inflow total is 16,31,550. Now put these values in the formula. Now what is the formula to find the net present value? The formula is total present value of cash inflow minus initial investment. So how much did we get? the total present value of cash inflow, this 16 lakhs 31,550 minus initial investment. So initial investment is how much in the project, that is 12 lakhs. So we get 4,31,550. So the net present value is 4,31,550. Okay. Now next we have to find the profitability index. Now what is the formula to find the profitability index? The formula for profitability index is total present value of cash inflow divided by initial investment. Okay, so total present value of cash inflow, how much did we get? 16,31,550. 16,31,550 divided by initial investment is 12 lakhs. So we get 1.35996, okay, as profitability index. So 1.3596 is the answer of profitability index. Okay, so I hope student you have understood this example, how to calculate net present value and profitability index. So in net present value, if in case the present value factors are not given, so we have to calculate as per this formula. Okay, so take down this example. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.